All right, guys, like always, I have something to show you guys. That's why I say when y'all hit this channel, y'all gotta hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, thumbs up, all that. Because if you miss a video, you may miss your blessing.
Then get up, get dressed.
Okay, check it out, guys. Let me show you something. Look, I went to Walmart today and they had these beautiful mirrors on sale, right? They had these beautiful mirrors on sale. They're lightweight, you know, because I'm done with putting holes in my wall. But that's neither here or there. So, guys, I am thinking about going back up there, getting some more of these mirrors because the ideas is just, coming to my mind. I'm talking about the ideas are just spiraling out of control. I have a lot of ideas of what I can do with the $7 mirror from Walmart. It comes with the thing on the back for you to be able to hang it up wherever you want to hang it. Now I can hang this on my door and have, my space look larger and everything like that, but most people do that. But I have a few spaces that I can put them on my wall and some other, places that I can put this mirror, but I'm gonna go back and get some more if they work out. So let me show you the first place I thought about doing, where I thought about putting it. Over here by my console, I was thinking about putting it on this wall. I think over here on this wall will look really nice, but I don't want to go too far. I don't want to go too far with putting a lot of things on my wall and having stuff everywhere. So, I don't think I'm going to do that one. Let me show you the other place I'm thinking about putting it. All right, guys. So there's a lot of places I can put it. This is my console table. And I'm thinking about putting it on my console table to see how it will look there. But I'm trying to make up my mind. Okay, guys, so this is my console table, and I think it would look nice up here as well. So, let me show you. So I'm thinking about just laying it across my console table. It is the right length and everything. And I'm thinking about laying it across my console table and putting everything back up here. But like I said, these are on sale. I don't know why they got it on sale like this, but it's on sale for $7.99. And with all the gold that I got going on in the house, I think that'll look good. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think that look good like that? Look at that. $7.99 isn't bad. I like it. I like it. It gives a punch of gold. So the other place I was thinking about hanging it is on my wall. Now, although I got pictures up here on my wall, I could put it up here on my wall because I have gold embellishments here. This would be a perfect size. It will also tie in the console table, and everything will be fine, because now it'll match the console table. It'll be longer. Let me show you where else I was thinking about putting it. All right, guys, this is my front room doors. And I was thinking about going to get 3 more if I was going to put it on here and just hang it, have them on my doors. But because 4 of them can't fit on here, I know I'm not going to do that. So that's out of the question. The other place I was thinking about putting it, it's so many places I can think about putting it, because if I am going to hang this up, I can go get like another one, but in white, and put it in my bathroom, or in black. Put it in my bathroom so when I'm getting dressed and taking my bath or weighing myself, I can, see myself in, the mirror. But let me show you another place. All right, guys, this is my ledge in my front room, and I can lay it on my ledge and it will just look beautiful right there. It would look beautiful right there as well, especially if I have the console table over there, having one on there, and then my ledge here, having that on my ledge. Now we are in my dressing room. I don't know if I want to go white in a different color with my dressing room, but these are my closet doors, and I would love to put the mirrors on these doors, but I can't do that either because since they're bifold doors, they open in the middle, and it's not, this mirror is too big to go on one of the side doors, you know, like that. So can't put that there. So that is out of the question. But right here is a wall that's by my dressing room, you know, my closet. And I can flank each side of the wall with a mirror like this and actually see how I look. Now, if I was to do that, I would love to put two mirrors stacked on top of one another up here, let it reach the ceiling and come all the way down. But this mirror is too long for that. Well, to stack two mirrors. So I would probably have to get white for this room, and I will put the mirror on the wall so I will be able to see myself and how I'm dressed. But I would have to go get two white ones, but I have already picked up a gold one, and I love how that gold is looking downstairs on the console table, guys. I'm loving that. I don't even want to move that. So I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing, but I need to make up my mind because I'm pretty sure those mirrors are gonna be gone for $7. $7, guys. That is a steal. Plus, I've been wanting to get rid of this mirror that's over my makeup station for a while now. So I'm in here decorating, you know, my room. There's other places that I can put this mirror, guys, to, there's other places that I can put this mirror, but I need to make up my mind on if I'm gonna get some more or just use what I have and call it a day. And because I always overbuy. All right, guys, so this is the other place that I want to put the mirror. We are in my bedroom, and I am working towards making the room look like a high-scale hotel stay. And I'm thinking about putting it on this wall. Now, because I'm working around the house doing things, y'all got to go check out that video with those videos. I'm thinking about extending my curtains all the way to touch the other wall. So if I do that, I don't need to hang this mirror up here. So if it stops there, if it stops, see, I would love to put two here, but this is where I will put the mirror. But I don't want it to look cheesy, and I have to be sure that I want to put it there. I don't think I'm gonna put it there because my desire is more going towards extending my curtains all the way to so they can touch that wall. So I'm not putting it there. That I have to make up my mind if I want to go get some more of these mirrors, because I'm telling you, I am loving the way that they are looking, especially on that console table. I am loving the look of that. But I also have walls that I want to put the mirrors on, you know, the dressing room wall, my bedroom wall, and the bathroom wall. Walmart have them on sale for $7. It wasn't $7.99. It was $7. They had them in gold, black, and white. And guys, some of them boxes was leaving fast. You can't beat that with a bat, you know, because mirrors enlarge your room. It just brings a certain ambiance, you know, to the room. But like I said, I always have a tendency of going too far buying things. So guys, I am about to get out of here. I just thought I would bring all of this information to you so you can run out and get it now. Run out and get it now, guys. go to Walmart, get your $7 mirror because they are on sale and I don't think they are going to last. Well, guys, thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. This video deserves a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, and hit that notification bell because when I find a sale, guys, I'm going to tell it. So, guys, I will talk to you later. I'm finna go back out here. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list.